What up, YouTube? We got another GE contest this week. Stay tuned to the end of the video to find out more. Going for a $100 hamburger, you have to get the $100 hamburger.
That's what I'm gonna do.
Yeah. How'd you like flying, Ian?
That was really cool.
Were you gonna recommend this to other people that win contests at school?
Yeah.
For sure.
Ride the line.
Come on, Texas.
Their hair up, so stay calm and relax.
Did you visit with your cougar friend?
How is she a cougar when she's younger than me?
Everybody's saying she's a cougar. I've never seen her.
My father watches this.
You wouldn't get an attaboy when we took home a 45-year-old cougar?
Well, wait a minute. What's a cougar for me? Because I'm 48. How old are you?
I'm 23.
Oh, crap.
Ryan Hunter.
Yes, sir.
Used to being behind bars.
Yes.
I kind of feel like Mr. Ed.
You are?
Yeah. I'm the talking horse.
Hello, I'm Mr. Red.
Hey, horsey! Yep, I'm ugly. 1, 2, 3. Beautiful, Carson. It is shedding season.
Well, it looks like Carson got into a little hairy situation here.
Oh dear God. 1, 2, 3. It's like direct into his mouth.
Yeah.
Nom 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 nom. What was Dr. Evil's cat's name?
Bigglesworth. Mr. Bigglesworth.
Mr. Bigglesworth?
Google it. I guarantee that's the name. It is.
She does the horseshoeing. You do the grooming.
Yeah.
All right, back to horseshoeing. What's up?
Back to horseshoeing.
Yeah.
See this?
Hey, we're just trimming. There's
See, I don't understand this.
Hey, enough of your barefooter mouth, okay? That'll be enough, Mitch.
We're still on the first foot.
And you got that whole mane braided?
Yeah.
Grooming.
Got to be a good farrier.
We got our first sweat of the year. Congratulations, Ryan.
Thank you. Thank you. I'm glad that I won again. Lions do sweat, but I can be fearsome.
Fierce.
Just feet.
Can you
Excuse me?
Feet. There you go. Stay after it.
You're the one that's going high.
All right. Once you relax, just give it back to her, and then get her butt out of that corner. Give it back to her. Perfect. All right, give her a blow. Hunter, I am proud. You are still in this stall.
Where else am I gonna go?
Well, I mean, in the mule thing, you like ran out.
I didn't run. We've already proven that.
Okay, you ran backwards really fast.
I shuffled my feet backwards.
It's always good for a YouTube channel to have cute cat videos once in a while. Who's a good kitty? Snorty.
Listen, do you think it's all fine? I'm stealing something.
What is going on here?
That stupid cat stole my pepperoni sticks.
No, we're trimming the cat's toes. Yeah.
Whoa! Jonathan's working. He's been working hard today and yesterday.
Dude, he's cruising.
He has been.
Cruising.
And you're taking your final horse right now?
Yeah.
We have 3 final horses going on right now. The intensity is building.
This guy's being a freaking pig. Come on.
That's special instructions.
Hey, somebody grab me a
The man needs a hoof stand. Stop! Oh, don't spook the horse.
Right now you are 20 minutes in.
Ah!
Well, not quite. I'm sorry. You're 18 and a half.
Oh, okay, that's better.
Oh, seems to be out of coffee. Barista! Thank you, barista. This is why you don't say, oh, it's gonna be an easy day at 9 o'clock. Here they come. The Israeli parade. Final horses, boss.
Final horses, isn't that exciting? Do you remember your final horse? Woo! Oh, that feels good. Are you happy? I'm happy.
I cried like a little girl. You will too, Ian. Just wait.
I paid $6,000 not to have to do it today.
How's their finals going?
He's burning all with 7.5 minutes left. And the other gentleman has not burned on yet. So
It's not looking good.
I don't want to get involved in internal Scottish politics. Everyone from Glasgow is fat, stupid, and ugly.
What'd you get done this weekend, man?
Mostly healing up from my shoulder.
How's your shoulder?
My ligament slipped on my shoulder blade. At least that's what the doctor thinks, so it's getting better, but not there yet.
Hey, did you share the channel with the knife guys on Forged in Fire?
Yeah.
Hey, if you're a Forged in Fire guy, shout out in the comments. We would love to know you're watching.
If she's peeing, she isn't kicking.
Yeah, like, you know those fountains like that sculptures are? That's Elijah right now. No, David's. Oh no! Keep practicing, little David.
Yeah.
Hey Kyle, do your Arnold Schwarzenegger impersonation.
I put the horseshoe on the foot, and then I cut the clip out. I terminate the clips. Like this.
I terminate the clips.
Not fit. It does not fit. I will ship it. I'll be back.
Hey, did you hear the new Helen Keller joke? Neither did she.
We gotta come up with a joke by 1 o'clock or we're doing push-ups.
What do you call a rude bird?
Oh, a mockingbird. What did the bee say to the flower? They got two
That's
right
so mediocre.
there. Hey, we need a joke.
I'd rather do push-ups than have such a mediocre, pathetic joke.
I can't do
Morning, Carson.
Morning.
Morning, Ryan.
Good morning, my friend.
David. How's your morning? Morning, Hunter.
Morning, how are you?
Good. Morning, Lauren. Why does everybody feel like I got shot? Everybody sounds...
My throat's like half swollen up. I can barely breathe.
Is everybody sick? Hey, is that the Kelly article?
Yeah.
Kelly?
Powerful women of Barton County. Kelly Gregory.
Probably 5 or 6 times in the process of trimming. You guys are just going out there and at it and not paying attention to where you're rasping.
You can't keep me in here. Bars can't hold me.
With a rainy day, the morale down, and everyone's sick. This reminds me of a better time when I was in school, in those woods, with a friend named Sam Zaleski.
I see you've changed your look, huh? So why'd you do that? You had to go out in the woods? And then, so you've been sweating all this, you had wet wipes.
Boss, you're probably the world's toughest examiner to be examining horses in the rain.
Oh, this is how they always do it at the Horseshoe Company. If they're having some English summer day like this, they take the horses outside and tie them in the mud.
Somebody say something so my sock on my camera works.
The video the halflinger telling me? The halflinger hugged me. I don't know what you got. I don't know. So janky, dude. Why do we need the sock? I forgot to.
Well,
You knocked your dead cat?
It's so it got wet yesterday, and I was drying it off on my dash.
You left it there.
Oh yeah, you know me. I tend to do that from time to time.
From time to time.
Are you okay? Are you sick?
Yeah.
Bunkhouse flu is still going around.
Oh yeah.
Hey, what's going on?
You had a heck of a 24 hours.
Yeah, you know, I love early mornings. I just don't like going to bed in early mornings and then getting up in early mornings as well.
Then driving a 4-wheeler to your mom and dad's. I was up. I could have drove you. Damn. Another final.
Another one.
Oh no. So you're trying
Quiet meditation.
versus getting pumped up to do your final horse.
Yeah, that's more my style.
A horseshoeing monk.
Silent but deadly.
Just like Dan's farts.
What's that?
You know.
Toughest tough guy spit. Come on. You just spit on Ryan. Did you really? No. This week in Israeli impersonations, we have Liam Nielsen.
I don't know who you are. I don't know what you want. If you are looking for handsome, I can tell you, I don't have money. What I do have, very particular set of skills. I will look for you, I will find you, and I will kill you.
Good luck.
I hear my mom calling.
See the distance right there? That's how you can tell where you're supposed to be.
Did you ask him that?
What?
I heard you stole the cradle.
Yeah, I didn't mean. I just put it in the trailer.
Yeah, I would have gotten away with it too if it wasn't for the meddling kid and that dumb dog. Hey, hope you enjoyed Hammer this week. I've hidden 2 of these GE stickers in the video in the background somewhere. Email the timestamp to Josh Gardner. Emails in the description below. Happy diamond mining, guys.